Okay, and I don't know if you can see the state of these. They're broken pretty badly, and they're broken on an angle running they're running up the wood that way. This bit's about to break off. So these are the old slides for the runners. There you go. That's where that fitted. But I didn't like the way they were breaking apart, so I've made you some brand new ones. How's that? And there's your other one for the other side. Brand new, out of quality wood. Good and solid. Okay, slight different colour to this, but these you can't even see these. Can't even see these. These are hidden. So I don't care. Okay, off camera. My SD card ran out. I hadn't realised and it had stopped recording. So off camera, what I've been doing is polishing these up. I don't know how well it will pick it up in the light. They've got a lot of residue from the polish, but they've come up absolutely beautiful. Still got some nasty scratches from about there to there. I think at some point somebody hit the boat with an orbital sander and they got a bit zealous. So what I've done is I've used some of this. It's a clarifying compound. It's actually for your windscreen, for your headlights. It's a headlight restorer that I bought for doing my van headlights. So I've given them a good compounding. A good polishing. This one I believe is the next one to do. This takes a while and it's very noisy. This didn't come out as well as I wanted it to. Not there. Broke off. So I'm going to have to cut that out and redo that patch. That plug has got a little gap. That plug's pretty much perfect. That plug again has got a big gap. And that plug's okay. That plug there has worked. Tiny little gap. Not as much as more than I'd wanted. And I'm gonna make another plug. I'm gonna make another piece to go in there. Sand it all down so it's all completely level. Only thing is, this is seen, and that bit. Why won't you focus this stuff? This piece here. There you go. It's focused. For God's sake. I'm going to have to redo that. And that was one of the better plugs. Not focusing very well, this bleeding camera, is it? There you go. All the woodwork is now complete. Give them all a good coating of wax. Look at the wood on there. That grain is beautiful, but so is this. These are just sat inside for the moment. Oh. Don't know if you can see that. And managed to get in there. Fucking useless camera. And clean all that up. So everything's finished now. Now all I need is a piece of marine ply for the top, and then this all can be fitted back together and re-put on. Oh, I'm well chuffed with these. They've come out lovely.